Doon sa Philippine Airlines, yung mga stewardess nila, sabi nila, matatanda na. And this is precisely the case of Halagenia versus Philippine Airlines Incorporated, na nagkaroon ng collective bargaining agreement yung PAL at saka yung union ng Philippine Airlines. Doon sa collective bargaining agreement nila, sinabi na pag matanda na yung flight stewardess, hindi na siya pwedeng ma-employ as a flight attendant. Sabi ng flight attendants or flight stewardess, if they do that, then they are not young enough to seek a new job, but not old enough to be considered retired. At ito ay dinala sa Supreme Court, and sabi ng ating Korte Suprema, dapat merong fundamental equality between men and women as this is guaranteed by the Philippine Constitution. At dineclare ng ating Korte Suprema na compulsory retirement age na nandoon sa collective bargaining agreement is discriminatory and therefore unconstitutional. Kasi ang sabi nila, pag 55 years old ka na or 59 up to 59 years old na babae, hindi mo na kayang buksan o wala ka ng strength, wala ka ng lakas na buksan yung emergency door ng aeroplano kung may emergency, or hindi mo na kayang mag-attend sa pasahero pag yung working conditions matagal, unlike their male counterparts. Sabi nga ng ating Korte Suprema, since this is enshrined and guaranteed by the Constitution, hindi mo pwedeng i-deprive yung mga flight attendants ng kanilang income, medical benefits, etc. 5 years earlier than their male counterparts. So, sinasabi nila, kung i-retire mo at 55, then i-retire mo silang lahat, whether male or female. Huwag lang yung female attendants. Because of this, like I said, in-emphasize ng ating Korte Suprema that there must be equality between men and women in the employment industry.